Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today is the 12th day where I am taking individual days from 5 different advent calendars, opening them up in advance because I'm going to be donating the contents to a nonprofit. I'll put a link in the description box down below to what the nonprofit's about. And today's day 12. I'm going to begin with the OPI calendar. And this color is called Samoan Sand. Really pretty light beige. Looks fairly opaque too. Next is from the NYX calendar. And this is a blush, it looks like. And looks like it's called Rouge, which is not really rouge. It's more peach, but it's pretty. The Body Shop. Yeah, the Body Shop calendar is really disappointing me. This is the mid-range. There was a less expensive and a more expensive one. This is the mid-range one. And this is just a one individual Himalayan charcoal purifying glow mask. So yeah, that's that. There were winners and losers. The worst one last year was the Sephora one, which I didn't get again this year. Next is Feel Unique. This came out of it. This is from Grow Gorgeous, Thickening Hair and Scalp Mask Intense. So I'm not sure if it does what it says in the tin, but someone will hopefully have fun using that. And last, but rarely least, Space and K. Chantecaille Jasmine and Lily Healing Mask. So a face mask, and this will be nice. The contents are going to people in Utah, where the weather can be very cold and dry and abrasive and all that stuff. So yeah, I think someone there will really like it. Thank you so much for watching this. I am almost to the halfway point. 13 will be kind of the halfway point. So thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, but it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.